What is up, YouTube? This is going to be a video on how to change the battery on your Dodge key fob. So what you'll need is a size 2032 coin battery, and then obviously your fob. So to get started, take your key fob, pull a key out, take the key, put it into this slot, give it a turn, and you'll pop it open. Take the top half and set it aside. Grab your key, take the old battery out, grab your new battery, and with the positive side down, put it back into your fob. Grab the top half, close it back up, take your key, and put it back into the fob. Then you should be all set. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.